Are you ready to turn your passion into profit and learn how to sell merch on Shopify? With Shopify's powerful tools and resources, setting up your own online merch store has never been easier. In this video, I'll walk you through the essential steps to successfully create and sell your merchandise on Shopify, transforming your fans into loyal customers. And by the way, if you would like to sign up to Shopify, make sure to take advantage of my special offer for you, where you can get your first month of Shopify for just $1. Yes, you heard that right. First month of Shopify for $1 if you use my link down in the description of this video. And with that in mind, let's get started with the video. All right, first, let's answer the question, why sell merch in the first place? Well, selling merchandise on Shopify is a fantastic way to generate additional revenue. Every successful business aims to make sales, and merch can be one of the fastest and easiest ways to do this. Items like t-shirts and hoodies are particularly popular among younger generations, making them a reliable source of steady income. Now, merchandise also fosters deeper connections with your audience. When your fans purchase and wear your merch, they feel a tangible bond with your brand. This sense of loyalty can be especially strong. For instance, sports teams sells millions of jerseys every year, reinforcing the connection between the team and its supporters. In addition to revenue and engagement, merch serves as a powerful tool for brand identification. In the past, branding and advertising were limited to traditional media like TV, radio, and newspapers. Today, merch is an integral part of brand identity and marketing, showcasing your logo, catchphrase, or unique artwork to a broader audience. Moreover, selling merch also helps build a community. When fans wear your merchandise, they become part of a larger group that shares similar interests. This sense of belonging can significantly enhance your brand's reach and impact. Creating your merchandising strategy. One of the first decisions you'll need to make is whether to sell your merch under your existing brand or create a sub-brand. Each approach has its own advantages. Selling under a sub-brand can attract a broader audience and facilitate collaborations with other brands. For example, creating a separate brand identity can open doors to partnerships that might not be possible under your primary brand. On the other hand, leveraging your existing brand can be beneficial if it already has a strong following. This approach allows you to market your merch more effectively by integrating it into your current content and promotional activities. Developing your merch. Creating merch involves more than just slapping your logo on a t-shirt. It requires careful planning and execution to produce items that resonate with your audience. So here's a detailed process to help you get started. Number 1, definition of your brand identity. First, begin by clearly defining your brand identity. What makes your brand unique? What values do you want your merchandise to reflect? Understanding your brand identity will help you create products that align with your overall brand image. For example, Shopify's brand is about independence, resilience, and creativity. Use these attributes to guide your merch design process. Number 2, brainstorming and validating ideas. Once you have a clear understanding of your brand identity, start brainstorming product ideas. Engage your audience in this process by asking them what type of merch they would like to see. You can use social media polls, email surveys, or community feedback to gather their input. This not only ensures that you're creating products your audience wants, but also makes them feel involved in the process. Number 3, design and mock up your products. Designing your merch is a critical step. While many merch companies offer design services, it's often best to handle as much of the design process as possible yourself. This ensures that the final products accurately reflect your brand. If needed, hire a designer, but be sure to provide clear guidelines and feedback. Tools like Placeit can help you create mockups that you can share with your audience for feedback. Number 4, choose a print-on-demand partner or manufacturer. After finalizing your designs, it's time to decide how to produce your merch. You have 2 main options: print-on-demand services or traditional manufacturing. Print-on-demand services are cost-effective and low risk. They allow you to automate production, shipping, and fulfillment, only producing items when a customer places an order. This method is ideal for starting out as it requires minimal upfront investments. However, it offers less control over the production process and limited customization options. Alternatively, you can choose to manufacture your merch from scratch. This option provides greater flexibility and allows you to create unique products tailored to your specifications. However, it involves higher upfront costs and more complex logistics. Evaluate both options carefully to determine which one best fits your business model and goals. Setting up your Shopify store. Setting up your Shopify store is a straightforward process that involves several key steps. Number 1, account setup. Visit the Shopify website and sign up for an account. Remember, you can do that by clicking the link in the description of this video. Follow the prompts to set up your store, choosing a store name and a custom domain. Select a Shopify plan that suits your needs, whether you're just starting or have an established business. Number 2, design your store. Shopify offers a variety of themes that you can customize to reflect your brand's aesthetic. Choose a theme that aligns with your brand and use Shopify's design tools to personalize it. Ensure that your store's design is visually appealing and easy to navigate. Number 3, add products. Upload high-quality images of your products and write detailed descriptions that highlight their features and benefits. Set appropriate prices and categorize your products to make it easy for customers to find what they're looking for. Manage inventory levels to ensure that your store is always stocked with your best-selling items. Number 4, payments and shipping. Configure payment gateways to accept payments from customers. Shopify supports various payment methods including credit cards and PayPal. Set up shipping options and rates based on your location and target audience. Consider offering multiple shipping options to accommodate to different customer needs. Number 5, legalities. Ensure that your store complies with all legal requirements. This includes setting up refund policies, terms of service, and privacy policies. If applicable, consider trademarking your brand name and logo to protect your intellectual property. Marketing your merch. Now, marketing your merch is crucial for driving sales and building your brand. Here are some effective strategies I found to help you promote your products. Number 1, leverage social media. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok are powerful tools for promoting your merch. Use these platforms to showcase your products, engage with your audience, and create buzz around your brand. For example, you can wear your merch in videos, create posts featuring your products, and host contests or giveaways to encourage engagement. Content marketing. Content marketing is another effective way to promote your merch. Start a blog related to your niche or a YouTube channel and write valuable content that attracts organic traffic to your store. This not only helps you reach a wider audience, but also establishes your expertise in your field. Retargeting ads. Retargeting ads are a great way to promote your merch to existing customers. Platforms like Google, Facebook, and Instagram allow you to target ads to people who have interacted with your brand before. This increases the likelihood of conversions as you're reaching an audience that's already familiar with your brand. Influencer marketing. Partnering with influencers who align with your brand can help you reach a broader audience. Influencers have large followings and can effectively promote your products to their fans. This strategy can be particularly effective if the influencer's audiences overlaps with your target market. Running a pre-sale campaign can build hype for your new products. A pre-sale allows customers to purchase items before they officially launch, creating a sense of urgency and excitement. This strategy also helps you gauge demand and manage inventory more effectively. So, selling merch on Shopify can be a rewarding venture if approached strategically. By following the steps outlined in this video and staying committed to providing value to your customers, you can build a successful merch business and establish a strong online presence. And remember, the first step to building an online business is creating your e-commerce website. And the best platform to do that is Shopify. And for you, remember, I have a special offer. You can get your first month of Shopify for just $1. And if you want to take advantage of that offer, make sure to click on my link in the description of this video. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.